Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Brooks here from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a traditional Brazilian dish that is very popular, especially in the northeast of Brazil by the coast. It's called MOQUECA de Camarão, which is a shrimp stew with coconut milk and red palm oil in it. It can also be done with white fish, or it's then called moqueca de peixe, or even a combination of both. It's easy to make, it tastes great. Please don't forget to like it and leave a comment. Let's get started. Start by chopping half large or one small yellow onion. Half red bell pepper. Half green bell pepper. Two large tomatoes. Two or three garlic cloves. And a handful of parsley or cilantro. I'm using 1.5 pounds of large prawns that have been peeled and deveined. The smaller shrimp work fine as well. Season the prawns with the juice of half a lime and salt, and then set it aside. In a large pan, heat up some olive oil and 2 or 3 full tablespoons of red palm oil. The red palm oil that in Brazil is called azeite de dendê is what gives this Brazilian stew its traditional taste and color. Then, add and saute the onions until they're soft and translucent. Next, add the garlic and peppers and saute for a few additional minutes. Add the chopped tomatoes. Season with salt and fresh ground pepper. Then add a good pinch of red pepper flakes or cayenne pepper, depending on how spicy you like. Traditionally, this is a spicy stew. Add the parsley, then cover and simmer for about 5 minutes, until all the vegetables are nice and soft. Add 1 can of coconut milk and mix it in. Taste and adjust the seasoning and heat. At this point, add the shrimp. Cover and simmer until the prawns are cooked, 3 to 5 minutes. And the moqueca de camarão is ready. The moqueca shrimp stew is traditionally served with white rice. Today I'm serving it inside a young coconut that has been cut as a bowl. You can also top it with some freshly chopped parsley or cilantro. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.